Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to send clips to your phone from PC. First, go to your browser and search for Send Anywhere. Click to open this link. Here, click on the plus icon on your left. Select the data from its destination folder. Once it is done, click on Send. Here, it will show you a 6-digit key and a QR code. After that, head towards your mobile device. To start the process, open your Send Anywhere application in your mobile device. Here, you need to agree with these terms and conditions. Then tap on Confirm. After that, tap on Continue. Now tap on OK. Then tap on Receive in the middle of your screen. Here, tap on Input Key. Then, enter the key which you have generated previously on your system. After that, tap on Receive. Wait for it to load. As you can see, your phone has been connected with your PC. This is how you can send clips to your phone from PC. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.